In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover inbox in Yahoo Mail. To begin, open Yahoo Mail. You will see your inbox layout right in front of you. This is familiar territory as you have likely used this interface before. The Yahoo Mail screen is clean and user-friendly, featuring a navigation pane on the left side. It showcases your folders such as Inbox, Sent, and Trash. This first step is crucial because it sets the stage for the recovery process. You want to ensure that you are in the right environment to retrieve your lost emails. Once you have Yahoo Mail open, you're ready for the next step. Next, click on the Trash folder. This is where deleted emails go, and it's vital to know where to find them. When you click on Trash, you will be taken to a list of emails that you have recently deleted. The layout remains similar to your inbox, with emails displayed in a straightforward format. This step is essential because it directs you to the location of your lost emails. If you don't check the trash, you won't find the emails you want to recover. Take a moment to look through the emails in the trash. It's important to know what you're looking for before proceeding. From there, select the email or emails you want to recover. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each email. This action will highlight your selected emails, making it clear which ones you intend to restore. Selecting multiple emails at once can save time, especially if you need more than one email back. This step is important because it allows you to pinpoint exactly which emails you want to retrieve from the trash. Take your time to ensure you have selected the right ones. Once you have made your selections, you can move on to the next step. Now click on the Restore to Inbox option. This button is usually located at the top of the trash folder. When you click it, a prompt may appear to confirm your action. This step is critical because it initiates the actual recovery of your emails. By clicking Restore to Inbox, you are signaling to Yahoo Mail that you want these emails back in your main inbox. After this, you will see a brief confirmation message indicating that your emails are being restored. This gives you the reassurance that your action was successful. After that, check your inbox for the restored emails. Return to your inbox by clicking on the Inbox folder in the navigation pane. Here, you should see the emails you just restored. They will appear in the order of receipt, just like any new email. This step is the culmination of your efforts. It's exciting to see your emails back where they belong. If everything went well, you should have all your selected emails waiting for you. If you don't see them right away, give it a moment, as there might be a slight delay. With these steps completed, you have successfully recovered your emails in Yahoo Mail. This process is straightforward, but it can be a lifesaver when you accidentally delete something important. Always remember to check your trash folder before concluding that an email is lost. You now have the knowledge to recover emails whenever necessary, ensuring your important information is never gone for good. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.